Are you making an angel? Yes, you are. I know it. I'm taking a movie of it. You want to come up and we'll see your angel? Let's stand up and see your angel. Look, there's Garrett's angel. See the wings and there's the head. You made an angel. Woohoo! You go, Garrett. Oh no, you're gonna fall again. Oh, you're gonna make another one? Wee wee. Can you get up? Do you like snow, Garrett?
Yeah.
It's very deep. Whoa! That snow is 8 inches deep. Are you trying to get snow on me?
Yeah.
Why? Hey, what are you doing? Whoa, Nelly, are you okay?
Yeah.
You silly goose.
My toy angel. I missed my toy angel.
You making a snow angel? Oops. Do you like the snow? We'll have about 1 more minute, then we gotta go in. Okay? Oh, look, there's a fort that Daddy built, and there's a snowman inside the fort. Oh. Uh-oh, you lost your mitten. Just a minute.
Where'd Teddy go?
Teddy's right there. He's ready to go inside too. Hello, Teddy. You like the snow? Yes, he says I only have my sweater on. Oh no. Okay, Garrett, it's time to go in. I know you got your mittens off now, but it's time to go in, okay?
No, I wanna dance.
I know, but it's time to go in because we got to pack the car up and go bye-bye.
I want to stay out long.
I know you want to stay out long, but we can't. We got to go. You stay just for a few more minutes, okay? I'm going to turn off the movie now, okay?